Hey, what's going on everyone? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So Christmas time is coming along and it's always good to save money. So right here is the Turtle Beach Battle Buds. This in-ear gaming headset is available in two different colors, black and teal. And as you can see, the one I have is the teal colorway. Inside of the box, it comes with everything you need to get started with. It comes with the earphones, the manual, and couple of ear tips. A great feature about this headset is that it's going to work with Xbox, PS4, PCs, and even Nintendo Switch. I mainly use it on Xbox, but it also works with my MacBook Pro. The wires on the headset is about 4 feet in length, and it also has a multi-function inline controller where you can adjust the volume and mute and unmute the microphone. In terms of comfortability, when I first put these on, they were not as comfortable as I thought it would be. Luckily, I actually found the right ear tips for my ears, and now they're comfortable and I can game for hours with these on. The 10mm speakers in the headset sound good enough for me to enjoy gaming on the go, and I also can play for as long as I want because I don't have to charge these. Okay, I got the mic on, and here we are testing out the mic quality of the Battle Buds. The mic is on for sure, and the volume is all the way up as well. You can see when I try to adjust it, this is the type of noise you will be hearing. So far, looking at the waves, I mean, it is definitely picking up my voice, and it looks like it's also picking up the background noise as well. But yeah, it's like a $30 headset, and it fits really well in my ear. Yeah, just testing out the mic quality of this headset, the Battle Buds. You know, I use it to play Call of Duty. It doesn't work on my Xbox controller for some reason, so I had to switch it to my other wired Xbox controller, and it's working with that. Overall, I don't have much to complain about these. It's a great price. $30 is not bad for this gaming headset. It has a microphone that actually works and it sounds good, as well as the sound quality that it produces is decent. So that pretty much wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and comment down below what kind of headset do you use. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe because that will really help out this channel. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.